Hey, what's up guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we have the brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra, and it's time to see if its video has improved against the Galaxy Fold 4. So right now we're recording at 4K video resolution on both phones, and let me know if you see any difference in the color reproduction, maybe the detail. And just quickly, let's pan around towards the city so you get a good view of what I'm seeing right now, and also how the phones are able to interpret that. Alright, now let's also quickly test the video stabilization, so let's walk a bit faster. Nothing crazy, just walking in a casual pace, but again, it's nice to see. It's interesting to see if there is any change in the video stabilization. Samsung says it has improved it on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, so it should be more stable now. Alright, and let me move right here into this slightly darker spot. Just follow me here a bit closer. Alright, and this is a good space to test out the ultra-wide camera on both of these phones. Alright, switching to the ultra-wide, you can see that it captures a lot more, but the quality is not quite as good as the main camera. Of course, that is to be expected, but let me know if you can see a difference between the Ultra and the Fold in terms of ultra-wide video recording. Alright, let's stop right here. Switching back to the main camera once again. Alright, you see the difference. And next up we'll also test the zoom quality. So for this I will step away and let's try and go to 3 times zoom. Now you have a 3 times zoom lens on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, so the quality should be pretty comparable between these two. And both can also go to 10 times zoom, so let's try and do that. 10x zoom. Now this is the good part about using a Galaxy, you can really zoom further in than many other phones. Alright, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra can also do 20 times zoom. This is the maximum zoom level while recording video, so you can definitely see a ton more detail further away with the Galaxy. This is a great advantage of actually using the Ultra over the Fold. Alright, let's switch back to the main cameras once again. Alright guys, do you see any difference? Do you think that the Galaxy S23 Ultra has improved compared to the Fold 4? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.